Hello beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. The other night, I think it's been about a week ago now, I was in Deni's live stream, and I'll link her channel down below. She is a beautiful girl and I enjoy her channel so much, and if you have not checked her out or you don't know who she is, I encourage you to check her link. You'll enjoy it. But she had a giveaway, she had a drawing, and I won second prize, and so it came in today. Actually, we've already opened it up and my kids got into the candy. So I don't have that to show you. But she sent me a card. It said, "You are murmurizing." I don't know if you can see it. Okay. And so I'm going to call this her logo. It has her logo on the bottom. And she just says, "Congratulations on winning in my secret giveaway. I hope you enjoy the fun goodies. Thank you for supporting my channel." I knew who Deni was before she knew who I was. I was already watching her channel before she figured out who I was. I bet she doesn't know that. Ha ha ha, Deni. I had a secret. And so the next thing I find is a pomegranate balancing cream moisturizer. It says oily to combination skin, so I wonder if this goes on your face. Let's see if there's, even though I can see now with my glasses, if it's a little bitty writing. Yeah, it says apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. It had a safety seal, but I popped it off already. And it smells so good. And it's, it is a lotion consistency, but it's kind of thick. I've enjoyed it. I actually put it under my makeup today. I'm very natural except for my lips. When I'm very natural, I usually wear dark lipstick, but when I'm natural makeup, my lips have to be bright. So, oh, and there's some more goodies. Oh, so I got 3 masks, and I love masks. I think I'm down to, I only have 2 left, so these come just in time. I'm going to tell you, well, I'm going to say what they are, and then I'm going to tell you a story about my masking situation at the end of last week. Okay, so there is a chocolate. This is by Miss Spa. I don't know that I think I've had one of these before. Not this particular one, but one from Miss Spa. Chocolate self-heating clay mask. And this feels pudding-like, so I don't think it's a sheet mask. Premium ingredient, cocoa powder. Repairs and soothes skin for a fresh, healthy complexion. The next one is by A2O, and I've had their mask before, and this one is an anti-redness. Oh, she knows me already. I have such a red face. The sheer mask has a 5-berry complex formula that helps to soothe and alleviate sensitive skin. My allergies are so bad that my nose, my cheeks, my chin. The doctor says I have butterfly mask, but it is so much better in the wintertime than it is in the summertime. And that's it. And this is one, I bet it's got picture writing, so I'm going to say this is probably a Korean beauty, and it is a collagen essence mask sheet. And it's got a piggy on it. And that should tell me the brand. I bet that's the Milky brand. That ain't Milky. Ain't it Piggy brand? Milky, Piggy, Milk, Piggy, Milk. And so there's a little bit of English. And this is a 15 to 20 minute. I am so excited to get these. And I'm probably going to use this one this week when I derma roll. Thank you, Deni, so much. I am so excited. Woo, girl, you don't know how much I love face masks. I am like you about them. I really am. Okay, so my battery died. So anyway, the other day I did my derma rolling. So when I picked out my face mask I was going to use. And it was a 20 to 30 minute mask. I decided to do 30 minutes. I put it on like I was supposed to. I laid down in my bed and I watched, I supported all of my YouTube people. So I sat down, so I laid down, relaxing, holding my phone up over my head, doing YouTube. And when my alarm went off that my 30 minutes was up, I got up, you know, and it tells you to rub the essence left on your face. The back of that mask was completely dry. There was no essence left on my face. My face has been so dry lately. I mean, so dry. In a way that I cannot explain to you. Not that it peels, but that it was, my forehead looks crinkly, my cheeks look crinkly. You know, I got my peach pit going on, my chin looks crinkly. My upper lip looks crinkly, and all of my moisturizing that I was doing was not helping. I decided I knew what the culprit was, and if y'all want to know what that was, well, I'll tell you what, I don't have it. I've done away with it. Yeah, I can't find it. I'm in my bathroom. It should be here. I think I threw it away. So, anyway, I'll tell you what it was. It was Skin Active's 99% natural rose water spray. I'm pretty sure that was drying my hair out. And what made me notice it was, is when I got up in the morning, I was just spraying it in my hair, right? It's supposed to be moisturizing. So I have I got a cowlick right here. I don't know if y'all can tell it. I was spraying it in my hair. That part of my hair and right here was getting so dry. Anyway, I digress. So I put that mask on, and when I took it off, I tell you, it was still moisture in the front. The back side of that mask was dried paper. I could feel my face sucking up the moisture and whatever was on the mask into my skin. Like, I've never had a face mask before. And it was a Korean face mask. It had numerals as the name. I can't tell you what it was. There was no essence to pat in when I took it off. So I took it and turned it around and patted that on my skin. And it just, as I was patting it in, it was just going in right away. My skin was dry. And I followed that up by my normal long routine of serums, and lotion, eye creams, eye serums, and oils at the end, which is what I do every single night. But I was topping it off with that spray. Well, I guess that spray was just drying out my skin. Quit using it, and so I'm hoping my skin will get better. But Deni, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. I love masks. So I'm gonna leave Deni's channel up here in the cards. I finally figured out how to do that. And I'll also leave her link below. And y'all check her out. She's got a wonderful personality. I think she's good-hearted. I enjoy her channels. I do. I enjoy her. I like to watch her unbox, and she tickles me quite a bit. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.